Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to recover deleted Google account. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you just have to go to https accounts.google.com, sign in recovery, and just enter your email address of the Google account you want to recover and tap on next. Most of the cases, Google will check if your account is still recoverable or not. If it is, you will be guided through the recovery process, or you can just basically enter your last known password, and oftentimes you will be receiving verification via email or phone and start answering questions. Also, sometimes once you're verified, they will just ask you to create a new password and make sure it's strong and unique. And that's how you easily recover it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like if you have accidentally deleted your Google account. So let's just say I have accidentally deleted it, or I just deleted it and I want to recover it again. So again, you just have to go to accounts, google.com, sign in recovery, and then enter your email address right here. If you just have deleted it recently, then all you have to do is to enter your email address and last known password. Then you can confirm recovery. So after resetting your password, you will regain access to your account. Check your account settings to ensure your recovery email and phone number are updated for future security. Google allows recovery of deleted accounts only for a short period after deletion, usually within a few weeks. If too much has passed, recovery may not be possible. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.